FEM BDC exception repair. This video shows how to fix the issue of version and coding lost when the app prompts the device to be abnormal or disconnected during the FEM BDC preprocessing process. Reconnect ACDP. Click BMW. Click FEM BDC. Click IMO mileage. Click FEM BDC F chassis. Re-identify FEM BDC. Click OBD detect FEM BDC. Click OK. Click OK. Compare the original FEM information to check whether the version and coding are lost. If they are lost, we can reverse write the data to repair it. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Here, we use Add Key as an example. Click Mode 1 Add Key. Click FEM BDC Initial Programming Process. Click Method 2 Manual Single Step Operation. Click Step 6 Recover EEPROM data. Click OK. Click OK. Please select the ICP method. Click OK. Click OK. FEM selection is M95128, and BDC selection is M95256. We take M95128 FEM as an example. Click Recover. Click OK. Based on the date and time, select the original data starting with M. Recovery successful. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 7 Recover coding data. Click OK. Click OK. Select the original coding data based on date and time. Recovery successful. Click OK. Click OK. Click the icon in the top left corner to return to the main menu. Click OBD detect FEM BDC. Click OK. Click OK. Check whether the version information and coding are correct. If correct, the repair is successful. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Re-preprocess FEM BDC as needed. Thank you for watching.